Hello everybody, I wanted to make a quick video to show you what to do if you have a problem with your order from one of our live sales. So let's say you've claimed whatever products during one of our live sales. You're going to get an invoice either the same night or through sometime the following morning, just depending on how quick the invoices get to it. We're gonna hop on over to the screen share so I can show you what it is that needs to happen here. And here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to your invoice, which should just pop up right in your order. Click on that, and you see here is the button to complete your invoice. The message right here is typically going to show you a list of all of the products that you have purchased, or that you have claimed, I should say. Obviously, I'm having a little fun with this, with the thing I really wanted, and a leather-bound copy of my book, but I'm just having a little fun, like I said. Then down here, this is the information that we have on file. We have your shipping address, we have your billing address, and then the shipping method is just going to say that you have typically $5 shipping for one of our live shows, right? So now, you're going to click this button right here. It's going to bring you to Shopify. Here we go. So if this is your first time making a purchase, the information right here, just verify it, okay? You can click this little change button. It's got all of your information. Great. All right, we're gonna go to payment. You're gonna have your credit card information right here, which you'll go in and you'll enter whatever that is. Scrolling down, you've got your billing address. You have the option to change it if you want, but it's gonna default to being the same. And then this option here of remember me, which is gonna save my information for faster checkout with a shop account. You'll put in your credit card information here if this is your first time purchasing. You're gonna click pay. It will complete your order, and then our shipping team will fulfill it and ship it out to you in a timely manner. Now, if you're familiar with our live shows, you'll know that oftentimes we'll throw in a little something extra during our shows, might be a discount code or some other promotional thing. You're going to just go right here, and this can be, it says gift card, but you can also enter a coupon code or a discount code, which I'm gonna put right here to apply. Obviously, this is not a valid gift card, but you'll click apply and it will discount that amount from the total, at which point you will then go down and click pay now, and it will process your order. Thank you, it gives you the breakdown. Your order is confirmed. You'll receive an email with your order when your order is ready for pickup. In this case, since I chose pickup, and then your order details. Now, if you're running into any problems with your order, we're gonna go through that right now. Now, normally your invoice is obviously going to just populate into your inbox. However, if it doesn't for whatever reason, there's a couple things to watch out for. You need to check your spam folder because it may have gone here. Soya sends out a lot of invoices every single week and multiple times a week, depending on your internet browser and how you have the security settings configured. It might see that email coming from an unknown sender and automatically throw it into your spam. So if it does end up in your spam, there's something that you are going to want to do. You're going to come to that message, select it, and then up here, click not spam. And when you do that, it's going to take it and it will shoot it over into your inbox. And from there, you shouldn't have any problems with these invoices going to your spam folder. Now we're gonna go over what to do if you have a problem paying for an online order, or if you need to update information for an invoice from one of our live sales. So we're gonna place an order. The first thing I'm gonna do when I get onto Soya is I'm gonna go here to log in, or my account. I'm gonna enter my information. And when you enter your information, it's gonna take you to your orders. Now, as you can see right here, I have quite a few orders. If you claim items from one of our live sales and you have not paid for those orders, this is where they're going to be. Oh, I don't know if I have an unpaid order or not. This is where you find that. It will also say the date of the order, the payment status, if it is refunded or paid or unpaid, and then the fulfillment status of it. If it's unfulfilled, it has not shipped yet. If it is fulfilled, it means it has been shipped. So a label has been generated for that product, stuck on the package, and it has been put into the mail carrier bin, UPS, USPS, what have you. At that point, it's gone. It has left Soya's building. Any other updates will come directly from the shipping carrier as opposed to Soya. So let's say you want your order to go somewhere else. The next thing you can see right here, I have my orders, my addresses. Right here, if I want to update my address, I can add a new address here, fill out the information, and add that to my profile. If you have a subscription, your subscriptions are going to be found right here on this tab. I'm gonna click on my subscriptions. Currently, I don't have any, but this is where you would edit information for those subscriptions. So I hope this helps with any problems that you have previously had. In addition to this, if you have gone through all of these steps and there is still an issue after doing this, please feel free to give us a call and we can help walk you through it if there's some kind of glitch or something of that nature. So thank you so much, everybody, for your participation in our online sales and or just your purchases from the website. It truly means a lot to us. So that's it, everybody. Thank you all so much. We'll see you later.